Hello everyone, and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up and manage alarms in Windows 11 using the built-in clock application. And now let's get started. To begin using alarms in Windows 11, you first need to access the clock application. You can do this by simply searching for alarm or clock in the Windows search bar. Once the clock application appears in your search results, select it to open it. Inside the clock application, navigate to the Alarm tab. Here you will see options to manage your alarms. You can switch an existing alarm on or off using the provided toggle. To create a new alarm, look for an option to add a new alarm. When you add a new alarm, you will be presented with several settings. First, you can set the specific time for your alarm. You can then give your alarm a descriptive name. You also have the option to configure if the alarm should repeat on certain days of the week. Furthermore, you can choose a specific tune for your alarm and even play it to preview the sound. Adjusting the snooze time is also possible to set how long the alarm will be silent before it rings again. Once you have configured all the desired settings, click on Save to activate your new alarm. It is important to note that an alarm is active only when its corresponding switch is turned on. If you turn the switch off, the alarm will become inactive. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.